In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file accessing permissions in Google Drive. Google Drive is a simple yet powerful tool that many of us rely on for storing our important documents. However, managing who has access to these documents can sometimes be a little tricky. So today, I'm walking you through the step-by-step process to ensure your files are shared only with those you wish to have access. First, let's navigate to Google Drive and locate the specific file that you wish to modify the access permissions for. Once you're in Google Drive, scroll through your files and select the one you're interested in adjusting. Click on it to highlight the file. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct document because this is the data you'll be managing. Next, we'll look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a plus sign icon alongside a human outline. Click on this icon to open the sharing settings window. This part of Google Drive allows you to add people, manage who has current access, and modify their permissions. It's designed to be easy to use, creating a straightforward way for you to oversee file access. In the sharing settings window, you should see a list of individuals or groups who currently have access to your file. From here, you have the power to manage these permissions as needed. To remove access, simply identify the user or group you wish to revoke permissions from and select them. Google Drive gives you the flexibility to not only remove access, but to also adjust the level of access if that's what you'd prefer. So, for instance, if someone previously had editing rights, but you believe they should only have viewing rights, you can make that change here without removing them entirely. Once you've completed your desired adjustments, all you need to do is hit the Save button to apply these new settings. By doing this, you're ensuring that only you and your selected individuals have the correct access to your document. It's a simple click that locks in your preferred settings, offering peace of mind knowing your document is secure and shared appropriately. This process is essential for both personal and collaborative projects. For instance, if you're working on a shared document for a team project and someone leaves or their role changes, adjusting permissions ensures that your document is only in the hands it should be. Additionally, it helps to prevent accidental edits or leaks of sensitive information by keeping permissions in check. That's it for today's tutorial. Just remember, regular checks and updates to your file permissions can go a long way in managing your files effectively on Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.